My name is Kurt Gohde, and I teach sculpture, photography, video, and community engagement through the arts. For me, teaching is about creating situations where students can learn from. Isn't necessarily about telling them what they're going to learn or telling them after what it is that they have learned, but to create a situation where they can, through experiences, through making art, through seeing art and just being in the world, can learn. When students take a class with me, I hope what they get out of it is to understand problem solving and understand that there's value to first figuring out what a problem is, and then secondarily figuring out how to address that problem. I work on my own exhibitions both in my studio and in the classrooms that I teach students in. So even when, if I'm creating an exhibition like one I just mounted here in Lexington, the students see me working alongside of them, and it just creates a community of makers that are sort of going through the same experience. My favorite classroom moments tend to be when students have tried something that they assumed they could never do. Maybe it's working with tools, maybe it's completing a video artwork, and realize at the end that not only could they do it, they did it well, and at the same time were able to convey an idea that felt wholly their own. My name is Kurt Gohde, and I'm a Bingham Endowed Chair.